Write the requested term of binomial expansion and simplify. We have given formula for the nth term and nth term of binomial a plus b to n power. So first we will rewrite our expression to this form. So it will be x squared, 1 over x squared. We can rewrite that this is x to power negative 2, and we have plus negative 2y. I didn't change anything, I only rewrite our binomial to this form. And now we see that a is x to negative 2, b is equal negative 2y, so it will be very easy to substitute to this formula. N in our example is 7, and we have to find the sixth term, so r is equal 6. So we have to just write that the sixth term will be equal. N is 7, so we have 7 factorial over r is 6 minus 1 factorial times 7 minus 6 plus 1 factorial, and we have x to power negative 2, and we have 7 minus 6 plus 1, and b is negative 2y to power 6 minus 1. So we can write that this is equal 7 factorial, and we will have 5 factorial in the denominator. So I will write 7 factorial, but this is 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial times 7 minus 6, 1 plus 1. So this is 2 factorial, and we have x to power negative 2 to power 2, and we have negative 2y to power fifth. So this is equal, we can reduce 5 factorial and 2 factorial, so this is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 7 times 3 is 21, and we have x to power negative 2 to 2, and we have negative 2y to power fifth. Let's check. If we have to find the sixth term, we always start from the highest power. So the first expression, x minus 2, in the first expression we will raise to 7th power, and the second we start from 0, so this is 0. So for the first expression, the first term, for the first term, first expression will have the power x to negative 2 will be to power 7, and negative 2y is to power 0. The second term will be x to power negative 2 to 6 power 1 less, and negative 2y will be to power 1. Third term will have x minus 2 to 5th power, and negative 2y is to 2nd power. Fourth term, so x to power negative 2 will be to 4th power, and negative 2y will be to 3rd power. Fifth term will be x minus to power x, negative 2 will be to 5th power, of course to 3rd power. We go down 1 less, and negative 2y will be 1 more, so will be to 4th power. And sixth term, we will have x to negative 2 power will be to 2nd power, and negative 2y to 5th power. So everything is the same, we have the same exponents. And because this is the sixth term, so we have first the coefficient before this expression is, because n is 7, 7, choose 0, next is 7, choose 1, 7, choose 2, 7, choose 3, 7, choose 4, 7, choose 5. So when we calculate 7, second function 5, this is 21, the coefficient is 21, so we got exactly the same coefficient, so everything is okay. And what else? We can rewrite that this is 21, we copy x to negative 2 to 2, so it will be x to negative 4th power. Negative 5, negative 2 we have to raise to 5th power, and y to 5th power. So this is equal 21, we copy x to negative 4th power, 2 to 5th power, negative 2 to 5th power, so it will be negative 32, and we have y to 5th power. So this is equal, because we have negative exponent, so x to 4th power we will write in the numerator, and in numerator will be negative times positive, so it will be negative 672 times y to 5th power over x to 4th power. This is my solution.